Hi, Rika. Will you come with me? Too bad. To the jewelry shop to buy earrings with me. Okay, we shall go to Mama Jewelry? Yes. Wow, showroom is very beautiful. Excuse me, sir. Oh, yes. Can we see earrings? Oh, yes. Then we have the latest model. Show the stone modeling, sir. Okay, madam. This is cash and content. Content, madam. Breakfast. Select models. Sir, what's the cost of 1 gram today? Rupees 1250, madam. Okay, Rika, I like this. Practice. Okay, madam. Okay, sir.